Oh, it is on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef. She's Nana, the saucy chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making creamy vegetable soup. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese, 2 cups of russet potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup of canned string beans, or you can use fresh or frozen string beans, 2 carrots thinly sliced, 1 celery rib thinly sliced, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of frozen corn, 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1½ teaspoons of olive oil, and also 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. In a large pot over medium-high heat, I'm going to add in my olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Now I'm going to add in my carrots, my onions, and also celery. And we're going to let that saute for 5 to 7 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our minced garlic, Italian seasoning, black pepper, and also paprika. And you want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined for about 1 minute. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now you can add in your broth. We're also going to add in our potatoes. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to bring it up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to reduce your heat, place your lid over top, and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the potatoes are cooked all the way through. Okay guys, once your potatoes are cooked all the way through, you want to go ahead and mix it. Now we're going to add in our corn, our cut green beans, and also our peas. You want to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And we're going to put our lid back over top, and we're going to let that continue to simmer for about 8 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add in our heavy cream. And we're going to add in our cheese. We're just going to go ahead and mix it until everything is well combined and nice and smooth. Now you can go ahead and taste it, and if you need to adjust any of your seasonings, you can do it now. Once your cheese has melted all the way through, it's time to serve. You can go ahead and turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it, our creamy vegetable soup. This soup is really delicious. I hope you guys give this a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?